2023 be good to us.
And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby. And reach right to the bottom of my mountain.
Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Layla, and I know I've been going for a while, but we're not finna talk about that right now. We finna talk about how in about 2 hours it's finna be the new year. And yeah, I'm coming strong 2023, and y'all can take my word on that, cause yeah, you'll see for yourself. But right now I am out with my boyfriend, and we finna just see where the night takes us, cause yeah.
Yeah, this how I go.
I don't know, but I tried to curl my hair. It's not the best, but it'll do. I'm gonna see where the night takes us. As y'all just saw, my boyfriend surprised me for New Year, and I really appreciate him. It feel like Valentine's Day, but that's it. 2 months. But yeah, I guess I can tell y'all we on the way to Wingstop because he's starving and I'm hungry. So that's what we're gonna eat at until we go see the fireworks. Yeah. Hey vlog, so we at the first destination and we lit tonight. Are we getting drunk? I don't know. Show up. You can't record me.
No.
I guess. No.
No. Okay,
So
big juicy
Wingstop.
booty.
Oh, wait, it's blurry.
Oop, blurry. Wingstop.
Okay. Hey vlog, so I'm back and we ended up at I probably can't see. Hold on. Dang it. We're at yup. That's where we are at because Wingstop had like an hour or 2 hour wait, and who finna wait on some wings? Like, it's gonna be New Year's by the time we get out of there. So we came to Buffalo Wild Wings. They only have a 15-minute wait.
Waiting on Buffalo Wild Wings. Missing New Year's for wings.
Right. And y'all, I just want to know, y'all comment down below, how do y'all see y'all New Year going?
She minds y'all.
Like what goals do y'all have for New Year's? Because I just know I want this year to be lit and successful. Alright, hey vlog, so we made it to Buffalo Wild Wings and we just waiting to be seated. And he wanna be in the video so bad, like. And we just waiting to be seated. And they taking forever, y'all. We partying or chilling tonight, besties? Which one we doing?
Just know it's about to go down.
So y'all, we just got done eating and now we waiting on the waitress, but we finna go get into the next thing, which is the fireworks. Yeah. Okay y'all, so we just parked on the middle of the road, but like it's 1 minute till New Year's, and you know I gotta get my 12 o'clock kids. 12. Wait, they can't see. Oh yeah, I forgot about y'all. Yeah, 12 o'clock. Hold on, let it focus, let it focus. Happy New Year, besties.
What address was again, baby?
2023, like, can you believe it? I graduate this year, y'all.
We made it to 2023. We were blessed.
Yeah, if y'all ain't know, we've been together. This gonna be our 4th New Year together. 4th New Year. And y'all, I graduate this year. I'm finna cry. This year is gonna be the biggest for your girl, like, for real. I'm not gonna lie. Just so much. But see y'all, we on the way to the fireworks. Who cares? And y'all, I named this teddy bear Balin. So when y'all see him, just know his name is Bailey and y'all better respect him, and that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. But I'm gonna see y'all. Next clip y'all see might just be the fireworks. So see y'all then.
I can have this moment for life. First step.
Y'all know I always got something going on, but tell me, we drove all the way here and it ended. Like, I got that one little clip for y'all. After that, it was about done. Like 10 minutes, really? That's Aggie. 10 minutes. But y'all, it's fine. Once we got there, time to go right back home. But we finna go see what the night brings. Like, you know, we finna go turn up a little. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoying y'all New Year's. So I'ma see you guys tomorrow. Hey vlog, so we had a successful first morning night of the new year, and yeah, many more successful and fun and happy nights and days to come. Like I said in the last clip, I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Good morning, besties. Today is now January 1st. Well, it was January 1st last night. So, I mean, you know what I mean. Today is January 1st and it is about 10 a.m. and I am just now finna start getting out of bed. No, I ain't brushed my teeth. No, I ain't showered. No, nothing. So this is like fresh when I'm up. I woke up like this. Nah, for real though. But today I'm gonna redo my hair and probably go out and look for cars today. Or I might get my family into doing something, cause like, who wants to be bored on January 1st? Let's go somewhere. But we'll see how this day goes. All right, bestie, so change of plans. I end up putting my wig, I took it off, but I end up just spraying it back on because I'm gonna go out with my boyfriend real quick and go get some breakfast. And yeah, that's the plan for right now. I hope to be home. Right now it's 12:18. I hope to be home by at least 4 so I can actually come home and do what I said I was gonna do, which was my hair and make content and stuff. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I'm either in the car or at the place. Bye y'all. I'm in the car and we on the way to the restaurant, and I'll talk to y'all when we get there. All right, y'all, we made it here, but they said it's a 20 to 30 minute wait, so we just finna sit in the car for that amount of time and just chill till it's time to eat. I think I'm gonna try something new. Let's see how that goes. All right, bye. Y'all, we leaving that nail salon because it was closed, so we finna go to another one, but we stopping at PetSmart real quick so I can show him this pet dragon I've been talking about, because he don't believe me it's a real dragon, but I'm trying to tell him. But we finna go in here and I'm gonna show y'all.
Whoa, yeah.
There go the dragon.
You're gonna make me look. Oh, the snake. Is that real?
Oh, it's only $79.
This real?
A snake? The snake? Yeah.
Oh shit, yeah. How much he is?
How much this snake is?
100. No, he 80.
Boy, you don't need no snake. You ain't got a dragon. I want the dragon. No, yeah, I just dared him to go dip his hand in these fish if he do it for real.
Okay, if I do it for real, you gotta fill the tank up.
I'll give you $20.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
You gotta actually grab them.
Okay, deal. Deal. Let's go. All that?
$10. Yeah, deal, $10.
How many I gotta grab?
Just grab like 2.
Oh my god, orange. That's it.
Okay.
You're not supposed to do that. Appreciate it.
You gotta grab one that's not gonna work. Come over here. Damn.
You get the fuck out.
They fast. I'm done. This not a big. What fucking fish this is? This anglefish.
Oh shit.
Thank you.
Welcome to Benjamin's TED Talk.
Yeah, we at the nail salon right now. And shit. Baby girl using the bathroom, so yeah.
Anyway, y'all, we in the nail salon. And I'm finna get these done. And he getting his feet done, not his nails. What color you getting?
White.
I think I'm gonna get, I don't know, I gotta look. I'm gonna show y'all what I get. Okay, let me show y'all. Okay, these are my nails. I haven't had long nails like this in a while.
Okay.
And here's my toes. Alright, hey vlog. So my hair is finally done after the whole day of telling y'all that I'm gonna do it. But y'all probably like y'all, today is Tuesday, January 3rd. The last time I saw y'all was January 1st, so it's been a day. And yeah, my hair is done. Let me see if I can show y'all. This is how it's looking. Just some real loose curls in the side parts. Yeah, I like it. Y'all probably tired of seeing me with side parts, but yep, this is my hair. But I have something very exciting to show y'all, and y'all can be like, what, girl? And I'm be like, yes girl, yes. But y'all, I wasn't really doing nothing yesterday, so that's why I ain't vlog. But let me go show y'all the surprise. Anyway, oh, I just said it, y'all. Bleep that out. But are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Y'all, hold on, let me squeeze between these bushes. Your girl got a new car. Who is this? Like, for real. Nobody can't tell me nothing, cause little is it new, baby, it's upgraded. Y'all, new car. Let me close the door. New car. Yeah, don't play with your girl. She got a new whip. Hey, so all those car videos y'all been talking about and all those car videos y'all been suggesting, I got y'all for sure, and y'all can keep my word on it. But y'all, that's what's up. Just wanted to show y'all that. And yeah, that is that. Do y'all like my hair? And yep, but what I was in here doing was making content for my hair page. And yep, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get into doing something, which I already know I don't have nothing to do for the rest of the day, so I might not talk to y'all probably really till Thursday, not gonna lie, but just a week in my life, so y'all gonna get the days I'm doing stuff. Bye y'all. So hey y'all, today is Thursday, 9:55 p.m. and I keep trying to make this a week in my life, but I'ma just be realistic with y'all. This is the end of the video. Like, I'm literally sitting here editing it right now, and I have nothing else for this video. I'll just see y'all in my next video. So this is me closing out the first video of 2023. The lighting is so bad right now, but first video of 2023. Heck of videos to come. And yeah, I love you all, besties. Like, subscribe, and comment on all my videos, and tell a friend to come watch me, because like, we lit over here. Unless you wouldn't even have made it to the end of this video. So like, come on now, let's be real. But bye y'all.